In this tutorial, we will explore the creation, management, and utilization of revision clouds in Revit. Revision clouds are graphical representations of design changes that are used to highlight specific areas of a model that have been modified. To create a revision cloud, simply select the elements that you wish to revise and then click on the Revit Cloud tool located in the Annotate tab. Draw a cloud around the elements that you wish to revise and then specify the revision number and description in the Properties palette. Let's create two revision clouds, one for doors and the other one for furnitures. As you place revision clouds, use the spacebar to flip the orientation of the arcs of the cloud. When a view placed on a sheet contains a revision cloud, or when a revision cloud is placed directly on a sheet, the revision information is displayed in the revision schedule if a revision schedule is included as part of the title block family. You can change revisions descriptions by clicking on View tab, then Revisions. Use the Tag by Category tool to tag a revision cloud with revision information. This example, the tag is a delta triangle with the revision sequence number. Remove a revision cloud by selecting it and using the Delete button or click Delete. In the Revisions dialog, when a revision is deleted, all revision clouds assigned to the deleted revision will be removed from all views and sheets in the project.